Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I took a week off, but I am back with a new video. And if you want to see how I made this hello sign, continue to watch. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright. And here are the items that I'm using today. This is some napkins that I purchased from Amazon. I want to be the time of your life. A hello sign, a wooden hello sign that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99. This charger plate that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These wooden skewers that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the tips off, but I'll show you later. Some Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. Some foam sponges from the Dollar Tree. Some acrylic paint in hot pink from the Dollar Tree. And some hot pink rhinestones. The size of these rhinestones that I'm using are 4 millimeters. Now I'm taking this charger plate outside to give it one coat of this white gloss spray paint. When I'm done, I'm gonna let this sit outside and dry for 24 hours. Or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. All right, you guys, now that the charger plate is completely dry, I'm gonna take these wooden skewers, and like I told you in the beginning, I'm gonna cut that sharp tip off the end and just line the bottom of the plate as you see. Come change my life for the better, yeah. Stay for a while or forever. Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna? All right, I'm gonna speed this part of the video up with cutting the tips off these skewers. It did take quite a while to complete, and I don't remember how many skewers it took to line the bottom of the charger plate. I did not count it. All right, you guys, so now that I know how many skewers it's going to take to line the bottom of this charger plate, I'm going to take my E6000 glue, and then you'll see me use my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to one by one place each skewer until the bottom is fully covered. I want to be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You see that jar that I have my rhinestones in? I did purchase that also from the Dollar Tree. I have several rhinestones on hand, so just to keep everything nice and neat, this is a good way to store your items, and it only costs $1.25. Yeah, 'cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Drinking any in the corner. Now you see me taking each of these skewers and placing them one by one on top of the E6000 and hot glue. I'm going to speed this portion up because, like I said, this process did take quite a while to finish. Come alive, let's go for a ride. Yeah. I want to get to know you. I don't want to leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. All right, now that I'm done placing the skewers on the plate, I'm going to put that to the side and let that completely dry. So now you see me taking this hot pink acrylic paint and I'm going over the hello sign. I'm going to give it 2 coats. The reason that I'm painting this prior to putting the napkin down is because you're going to see that wood come through that napkin.
All right, so I have taken that napkin. It was 2-ply. I removed the back and then I cut it in half. And now you see me going to use this Mod Podge glue. Now I'm taking the Mod Podge glue and going over each of the letters, beginning with the E. And now I'm placing that napkin down on top of the letters that I've added Mod Podge to. And you also want to go over the top of the napkin gently, because you don't want to rip that napkin because it is only 1-ply now, and place it down. Once you have the sign completely covered with the napkin, you're going to let this sit and dry overnight. All right now it's completely dry, and I'm taking this sandpaper sheet and I'm going to go over the edges to remove the excess napkin. And I did do that off camera, and as you can see, it's completely done. So the next thing I have to do is add these rhinestones to the letter H, and I'll be doing that using gem tag glue.
Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever, don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah, cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner.
All right, I'm done adding all of the rhinestones on this sign. So now I'm just taking my hot glue and I'm adding this to the charger plate that we completed earlier, you guys. And look how cute this turned out. This is a great addition to any child's room. You can do their name in wooden letters. It's just a beautiful addition to any office space as well. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.